3, 2, 1, go!
We'll see all three red robots moving for 5 points each on the blue alliance and red alliance side. If they move across that first line, each alliance can earn 15 points, 5 points for robots and autonomous. These teams both try to deliver their autonomous gear, but neither one of them getting quite on target. So each team is tied up at 15 points each at the end of the autonomous period. But our red alliance now has placed their autonomous gear, their reserve gear rather, earning their first 40 points for their rotor number 1, bringing the red alliance up to 55 points. We've got some fuel on the field. Looks like 28-13. The gearheads are gathering those fuel. They've also got a gear in their machine, speaking of gearheads, trying to get that delivered up to their Blue Alliance airship. But the Blue Alliance and Red Alliance now both have their second gear in place. Red Alliance has both rotors spinning. Blue Alliance has not have one rotor yet spinning. With about a minute and a half remaining, Red Alliance up to 95. Blue Alliance still needs to get their first rotor up and spinning, but the Red Alliance, they've got their second rotor spinning, and here comes one more gear in the machine of 256, the Robo-Rams. Robo-Rams lining up on that gear lift. Those springs make it very tricky to load these gears into the airships. Blue Alliance now has both of their rotors spinning, bringing it up to a tie of 95-95 with just over 1 minute remaining. Both these teams working on their third rotor. Quicksilver flying across the field. They load up very quickly in their human player station in that retrieval zone, and they're making their way back over to that Blue Alliance airship. Blue Alliance has all 4 gears required for their third rotor now, and they're up to rotor number 3, pulling ahead to 137. Blue Alliance also scored some fuel. They've got 2 kPa of steam pressure built up in that boiler, pulling up to an extra 2 points and a score of 137. Red Alliance looks like they only need 2 more gears, so they could pull it up to nearly a tie and then get these final 2 gears delivered. But now we're in those last 30 seconds, and those gears are worth less points than climbing aboard this airship. So all 6 of these robots look like they're trying to take aim on those ropes and climb aboard. Just over 15 seconds left now. Let's see who can get up on, trigger those lights to aboard the airship on the Red Alliance. 1, 2 bots aboard. 2 bots aboard the Blue Alliance airship. Blue Alliance pulling in the lead, but 256 may make the difference as the Red Alliance pulls ahead with their third robot as time expires at the end of qualification match number 6. Very close, and those final seconds can make all the difference. As we bring you our official scores, you'll see the airships taking flight, racing towards the finish line, and crossing first is the Red Alliance. Red Alliance with a score of 245. Blue Alliance